Hello, the Vacuumatic IEC again with another video. I've been dealing with some health issues lately, so I haven't been active. So I thought I'd give you an update on my newest acquisition. This is my Electrolux zb89. You've seen it before. But we have a brand new power nozzle. This is the power nozzle from an Ambassador 3. So we'll give it a run. It also came an extension one. I just gave the power head a good cleanup. As you can see, it's in great shape. Has some scuffing here and here. But underneath, it's a nice L-shaped power head on the Electrolux 89. So, we'll give her a go. It's plugged in. Grooms very well, pulls itself along, nice and quiet, as you can hear. As a headlight, it works. Does a good job on the rug. I love this power nozzle. Can feel it in the hose, it grooves well. Vibrating the carpet. Got a new brush roll, I think. This thing is just fantastic. I just love it. As you saw, it does a great job. Here's the on-off switch, and underneath